So this is Roblox game development series, and that's lesson 6. In this lesson we are going to discuss how to import assets from other games. This feature will save you so much time, and it is also a basic feature that you have to know. So in this lesson you're going to learn what is a tools view and how to import models from tools view. So let's get into it. Alright, open up your Roblox game. In my case it is a very empty game. I also have other games called Boxtubers where I have more stuff. But here, just for example, my game is quite empty. So open up your game. So once the game view in Roblox Studio is open up, you can go to the view. At the top here there's a menu and you can click on the view, and on the view we can open multiple things. Here we have a lot of small icons, and if you hover with your mouse you can see different tooltips, and it will explain what is underneath there. And in our case we are looking for a tools box, so this looks like that. Just find it and then click on it. So once you click on the toolbox it will show up this view. Here we have bunch of stuff. You can see here's a drop down, and in the drop down we have a bunch of things like models, plugins, audio, decals, mesh parts, etc. But in this example we choose models, so make sure that models is selected. Once models is selected you can see there are a lot of pictures. Basically these are like stuff that you can import, but in order to make it more easier let's search something. So I will type house. I type house and I click enter, and you can see that a lot of house pictures show up. These are house models. So if you find something that you like here you can click on it. For example, I choose this lighthouse, and once I clicked on it you can see that it showed up in my game here. And also on the left hand side in the explorer view, that you know how to use because I teached you about this a few lessons ago. So the lighthouse is also in the explorer view in the workspace. So if you click on it, on the lighthouse here, you can see it becomes selected. It has this blue border. So you can move it around as you know how to move the parts, because in the previous lessons I was teaching you how to move parts. But let's test the game and let's see if the house is still there. So I click play, and now I can run around, and you can see that there is a building. There's a lighthouse. So there you go. That's how you use it. Alright, so now that you know how to import models into your game, let's have also a task. So take 30 minutes and import bunch of stuff into your game. Experiment with different things. You can add them, you can remove them. Essentially have fun. And later you can show me what you imported into your game. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon. We have very exciting lessons coming up.